Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and I'm here with our friend Stevie BayFlight and her beautiful Bonanza. And we're gonna throw a new sound system in her JK because as a fellow airport friend and a Jeep owner as well, she's got a bitchin' plane and it's time to put some new sounds in your Jeep. So why do you wanna upgrade your Jeep?
Well, I've had my Jeep for 10 years, so most people on the internet know me for my airplanes, but really it all started with this car. I've had my Jeep since I was 16 and I've done minimal upgrades to it, so it's time to do something fun.
Let's make it more enjoyable to be in, so at least you have something fun to get to the airplane with.
Sounds good.
Cool. All right, to do the install, we're gonna remove the 6 bolts that are around the soundbar with a 10 millimeter ratchet, so if you wanna hit those 2 first.
Sure.
Next, we'll go ahead and remove the roof anchor.
Sweet.
So this is your old soundbar with the crappy little stock speakers versus the new SSV Works version with the 8-inch speakers. Bigger speakers, bigger sound, you're gonna get a lot more bass, a lot brighter, a lot louder, so you can sing along to your favorite whatever song. So next we're gonna take the dome light out of the old bar that we're not gonna use anymore and put it on the new bar. That way you retain your factory dome light and it makes it totally plug and play.
Awesome.
So go ahead and grab a pry tool or a flat blade screwdriver and just pop the lens cover up. There you go. And then use a T10 Torx right here. All right, we replugged in the dome light from the old soundbar. Speakers are pre-installed. It plugs right in with the one little connector on the side. So now it's time to get back in the Jeep again.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so we just wrapped up. What do you think?
It's awesome, and the install was so easy. I don't think I've ever seen anything so easily done on either an airplane or a car before. So the fact that I understood what was going on, pretty good.
1 plug, 6 bolts, a 10 millimeter ratchet, not too bad.
Super easy.
Thanks for letting us work on your Jeep, and thanks for checking us out. I'm Trevor at SSV Works.
And I'm Stevie Triesenberg.
We'll see you guys later. Thanks.
Sounds good. Bye.